Are you looking to add social media icons to your ClickFunnels landing page? But the problem is there is no such element in ClickFunnels Classic. Don't worry, we are about to show you a simple solution using custom HTML and CSS code. Let's dive in and get those social media icons up and running on your page. First, we are going to place a custom JavaScript HTML element where you want your social media icons to appear. Next, we will copy this entire code and paste inside this custom JavaScript HTML element. You can also add this CSS code inside settings custom CSS to keep your HTML codes clean. Looking for the code? It's right there in the video description. Let's save our work and take a look at how the page looks now. As you can see, we have Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn icons displayed. This is because we have added code for each of these icons. If you want to add more icons like YouTube, Discord, simply copy one of the existing line of code and replace the font awesome icon name with the one you want. It's that easy. Now save the page and reload the preview. But the problem is that the icons are not very clear. This is because the color code we have used in the CSS is not suitable for a dark background. We can improve the appearance by updating the CSS to adjust the color, icon size, hover effect of the icons. To update the social media icon link, go to the custom JavaScript HTML element again, open code editor, and find href attribute inside HTML code. Href hyper reference. Inside this attribute, replace the value with your social media link and save. Hope you understood how to add social media icons in ClickFunnels sales page. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.